Se and si in Bulgarian, one of the most demanded topics because it's such a mess with these two small words. Now in this video, we'll finally explain you and it will make sense for you. Se and si. Let's start from the beginning. What is se? Se, it's the reflexive part in a verb. In other words, разхождам се means I have a walk. In a way, this action is coming back to you. In English, the problem is that you don't translate it always. I am walking myself out. Sometimes you can say it, but here the translation is not the key thing. Just remember, a lot of verbs in Bulgarian, they're reflexive. The action is coming back. For example, Mia se, I'm washing myself. This you can say like this in English. Or for example, Resha se, I comb myself, okay? Обличам se, I dress myself, okay? So somehow you put clothes on you. So that's why the action is coming back to you. So far, so good. When se goes to si, when you add an object, when you add something. For example, Mia se, I'm washing myself. Mia si rъцете, I wash my hands. Okay? Обличам се, I dress myself. Обличам си палтото, I put my coat on. Okay? I comb myself, реша се. Реша си косата, I comb my hair. Okay? So se, it's when you say Mia se, full stop. Okay? The sentence ends here. And when you want to put an object after that, you can say Mia si rъцете. Ръцете is the object. Then se goes to si. Another specific thing about se and si is that they can change their place in the sentence, which can be very confusing for foreigners. What is the logic here? You say, Аз се мия, I wash myself. Ти се миеш, you wash yourself. In other words, when you have the pronoun in the beginning, I, you, he, she, аз, ти, той, тя, then se goes on second place in the sentence. Аз се мия. In Bulgarian, you can skip the pronouns. You can avoid saying аз, ти, той. And then you can say mia se. From the ending of verb mia, we know that it's I, mia se. The important thing here is that, as you noticed, se goes after the verb. Se is changing its place. Sometimes can be before the verb, sometimes can be after the verb. When you say as, se goes before the verb, as se mia. If you decide to erase as, goes mia se. You follow my logic? Let us know in the comments if it is clear. The same thing goes with si. As si mia rъцете, I wash my hands, or mia si rъцете. Okay, you decide not to say as, so si goes after mia. Doesn't matter if it is I, he, she, they. Okay, те си мият ръцете. They wash their hands. Okay, те си мият ръцете, or мият си ръцете. Okay, so two things. When se goes to si, now it makes sense, and be careful to put them in the right place in the sentence. I propose you write in the comments sentences with se and si, and let's see if you use them correctly. We'll try to make our best and to check them for you and to give you feedback. Let's finally make sense of this difficult part of Bulgarian language. In my experience, really it is top 5 topics that foreigners ask me. So let's see if now you understand it.